Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix speaker not working on your Samsung Galaxy M12. So first, you want to check the volume levels in these settings. So quickly unlock your phone and then go over into the settings. Now, you're in the settings. Let's go over to sound and vibration and select volume right here. Make sure that the volume is maxed out right here for the media. This is the most important one. And what you guys want to do next is clean the speaker grills. So as you guys can see, here we have it. This is our speaker grill and we want to clean it with a soft brush, for an example. So this will do the job better than anything else. It will clean it thoroughly and it will be clean. So what you guys want to do next is go back to the settings, go to connections right up top here, and make sure that Bluetooth is disabled. So if it's disabled, then basically you ensure that audio is not rerouted anywhere else, and that's basically what you guys can do. Now for the last step, what you guys can do as a last resort is to check for software updates. So scroll all the way down, go to software update right here and click download and install. Now, as you guys can see, it will check for updates automatically. My software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version, because on the older versions you have a lot of glitches, and in the newer ones there's less of them. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.